Good morning. My name is Elkin Yesid Jaimes Cárdenas. This is my presentation. Itinerary visitos to Malaga, Santander. The best trip you will have through the province of Garcia Rovira. The cost of the tourist bag of the tourist trip with all service includes is 400,000 pesos, 750,000 pesos core. Localidad in the south head of Colombia in the Anden region department of the Santander in the province of Garcia Rovira. It has a temperate climate. The trip will consist of 3 days and 2 nights where you will have a spectacular experience. Day 1, Peña del Cabro and Lock City. Day 2, Majestic Lago of Ortices, donde view of the Chicamocha Canyon, camping, Ortices Lago. Day 3, Cascada del Indio and Wheels of the Waters. Transport service, public and private service. Activity to do: visit the beef of the Peña del Cabro, visit the Lot City, update of the majestuous Laguna de Ortices, home of waterfall of the Indian, gastronomic sample of the region, old waters wells. Option and place to stay. Typical meals: lemonades, typical guarapo, masato, typical girl, panuchas of Arequipe, malagueño tamal, mute of cob, corn arepas,